Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So finally, as many of the students are requested for the explanation videos of cost accounting, so here is this video we will discuss the materials chapter 1. So this is the scoring unit in your cost accounting. As in previous introduction video I have already said what problematic methods you need to learn. So in materials chapter, probably for 12 marks there are 4 methods: Fifo, LIFO, weighted average method, simple average method. These 4 methods are there for the problematic furlong. So in this particular video we will discuss about the Fifo method. Okay, so if you are perfect with Fifo, you can easily understand LIFO, any of the method. It will be similar to everything, only 1 or 2 changes will be there. Okay, so this video I hope that you will be helpful, and if you are not understanding any particular topic in this video, means just try to pause the video and do watch again so that you will easily understand. Okay, so if you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. So let's get into the video. Now the question I will show it in the screen. Just pause the screen and make a note of that question, or else take a screenshot so that simply I can do the answer. Okay, if you are having zero knowledge in this material chapter also, it will be okay. Okay, so let's get into the video. So students, this is the question. So from the following, prepare stores ledger account under LIFO, Fifo, weighted and simple average method. So in this video just we concentrate on Fifo method. So cost stock in hand on 1st March 2019 was 800 units at 8 per unit. So materials is nothing but, in this materials chapter, stock is nothing but where will store stock in an organization? Go down. So stores ledger account is nothing but go down. Okay, so the first opening stock is 800 units, it seems. Each unit is 8 rupees, it seems. Okay, so on March 4th purchases has been happened. How many units purchases has been happened? 600 units, at each per unit is 10 rupees. Okay, so simple in issues or purchases. Okay, purchases is nothing but receipts, issues is nothing but payments also we can. Okay, so purchases, when they are giving purchases, means they will give units, they will give rate of that unit also, but when they are giving issues they will not give rate. So on March 6th you see 500 units were issued, it seems. Issued is nothing but it is going from go down to the organization. Simple ga cheppali ante mana oka organization, in an organization where we will store our goods in a go down or a warehouse. Okay, so receipts is nothing but when you are purchasing the goods for your organization, goods is entering into the go down, so that's why that is called receipt. Okay, so customers has asked for the goods and they are ready to buy it. So when they are ready to buy it, we are issuing. Issuing is nothing but we are moving from warehouse to the organization. That time quantity will go from stores ledger account to the out. So issues is nothing but payments. Got it? So simply we will do the solution so that it will be easy, no need to understand the introduction part. So first you need to concentrate on the pro forma. So it will be a big pro forma. In your booklet also it won't sufficient in 1 page. That time how you need to do is, when your booklet is like this, when you will start the question in your booklet like this, means combinedly draw the pro forma. Okay, so 2 pages kalipi 1 answer you need to do. So then only will sufficient, this much pro forma will get sufficient. You should not write like this. Some students will write like this. You should not write. Why? Because as yours is a single rule book, it won't look and it won't understand your handwriting if you write like this. So better you combinedly join 2 pages and write it. Okay. So in your pro forma, what is the elements you are having? Date, particulars, receipt column, issues column, balance. Balance is nothing but after issuing or after receipt, what are the balance thing you are having in your go down is your balance. Okay, so issues, receipts, issues and balance. In receipts you will have 3 columns: quantity, rate, amount. In issues also 3 columns. Quantity, rate, amount. In balance also 3 columns. Quantity, rate and amount. I hope that you have understood the pro forma. So now let's get into the answer. Okay. So in your question, stock in hand on 1st March 2019. So March 2019, March 1st. Stock in hand is there, no? Stock in hand is nothing but the amount of goods which you are having in your go down. It is nothing but receipt. Means how many units are there? 800 units. Each unit is 8 rupees. So here you can write it 800 quantity, each unit is 8. Then what will be the amount? 800 into 8. Take calculator, use calculator in your examination. 800 into 8 is nothing but 6400. We are not having any issues on 1st March. Okay, so that's why issues column is nil. So what is the existing amount? What is the existing quantity you are having in your go down? 800 units. Each unit is 8, total 6400 stock you are having in your go down. After completing one ledger, one particulars, make a line of it. In your answer booklet, just leave one line. As yours is a single rule book, it will not be a plain rule, no? So that's why instead of drawing a line, better you leave one line, okay? Okay? So after March 1st, what is the date you are having, ma? March 4th we are having, okay? March 4th. What we are having? Purchases we are having. They have mentioned that purchases is there, it seems. So here purchase is nothing but receipts. How many purchases have there, ma? 600 units, 10 rupees per unit. 600 into 10, 6000. Understood? 600 into 10. Amount we need to calculate. So 600 into 10 will be 6000. So issues is not we are having. So here how you need to enter is, before entering this purchases, what is the stock you are having in your go down? 800, 8, 6400 we are having. You should write that. What is the existing you are having? 800, 8, 6400. What is the new stock entering into the business? This is entering. How many quantity? 600 quantity. Each is 10 rupees. Total 6000. So here in the balance sheet, balance column, what you need to write it? What is the existing you are having and what is the new stock is entering? That both you need to write it separately. Okay. So this is the only thing you will confuse. Many of the students confuse. So this transaction is over. So after March 4th, what date we are having? March 6th we are having. So after 4th March 6th will come. So how many, whether it is a purchase or issues? Issues. So as I have said, for issues they will not give rate, only they will give units. Okay. As it is the issues, here I am writing issues. In receipts column it is nil. How many units were issued, ma? 500 units. 500 units were issued. Which method we are using? Fifo method. Fifo method is nothing but first in, first out. Whatever the stock entered first in the go down will be go first. That is the method name called Fifo. First in, first out. So out of this your balance is, you forget about this. Out of this is your go down balance. Out of this too, what is the first stock you have entered in your go down? 800, no. What is the rate of that? 8 rupees. Total 6400. How many units we want? 500 units we want. Out of this too, which method we are using? Fifo method. So first go down stock is this. What is the rate of that? 8. So 8. 500 into 8. This rate we need to take. Why? Because we are using Fifo method. 500 into 8 is nothing but 4000. Means issues is nothing but it is going from a go down. So now in your go down, what is the existing stock we are having? Out of 800, 500 we have already used. So remaining how much it will have? 800 minus 500, 300. What is the rate of that? 8. 300 into 8 is nothing but 2,400. This we didn't do anything. So that's why same thing we are writing. 600, 10, 6,000. That's it. See, while issuing only you will get difficulty in this materials chapter. Then while issuing you need to conscious about which method you are using. Either you are using LIFO method, Fifo method, weighted or simple. That you need to concentrate. Okay. So Fifo method means that's why we have used first stock first. So out of 800 we can use 500. So that's why that rate we have used. Out of 800 we have already used 500. Remaining stock is 300. What is the rate of that? 8 rupees only. So that's the thing we need to concentrate. So after March 6th, what date we are having? March 8th. What is the purchases or issues? Purchases. Purchases. How many units purchases now? 500 units. Each unit rate is 11. So 500 into 11 is nothing but 5,500. So here how we will enter? What is the existing stock you are having in your go down? 300, 8, 2,400, 600, 10, 6,000. What is the new stock is entering into the go down? This one. 500, 11, 5,500. That's it. That's the thing you need to write it. So after March 8th, we are having March 13th. Understood? So March 13th is issues, ma. In your questions they have said issues. How many units issues? 500 units issues. So 500 units we want for the payment. So which method we are using? Fifo method we are using. Out of these three, what is the first good which you have entered in your business is 300. So 300 stock is there, but we want 500. First use that 300. 300, what is the rate of that? 8. Total 2,400. Still how many units we want? We want 500. Now we have used 300 from the first method. Remaining how much we want? 200. After completing this, go to the second one. Out of 600, you can use 200. So 200. What is the rate of that? 10. 200 into 10, 2,000. Okay. So 500 we want, ma. Which method you are using? Fifo method we are using. First one we can use now. Ikkada first method lo first dantlo 300 goods only we are having. We have used the 300. After completing 300, still we want 200. Then we will go the second first one. Okay. So in this rate is 10. 200 into 10, 2,000. Now in your go down, what is the stock is there? 300 is not there. Why? Because we have used the whole amount. Out of 600, 200 only we have used. Remaining 400 is there now. 400, rate of that is 10. 4,000. 500, 11, 5,500. That's it. This is, you can close your transaction here. Understood? So simple logic you need to understand, so that you can easily finish this materials chapter easily. Okay. So if you are not understanding here itself means you will face a difficulty in your remaining methods. Okay. So here I am rubbing and I am writing the remaining answer. So after March 13th, what date we are having now? March 19th. So here I am writing March 19th. It is purchases. How many units purchases? 800 units purchases. Rate of each is 11.50. So 800 into 11.50 is nothing but 9,200. Okay. What is the existing stock you are having in your go down? 400, 10, 4,000, 500, 11, 5,500. What is the new stock is entering into the business? 800, 11.50, 9,200 is the amount. Okay. So that's the only thing is there in Fifo method. So after March 19th, what date we are having? Now we will see. I hope you are understanding. If you are not understanding, again rewatch the video. You can easily understand it. Okay. So after March 19th, we are having March 23rd. On March 23rd, issues is there now. Issues. How many units is issues we are having? 600 units issues are there. Rate we don't know, because for issues rate they will won't give. We need to calculate rate. Now 600 we want. Which method we are using? Fifo method. What is the existing stock there in our godown? 3 stocks are there. Fifo means first in first out. Out of this 3, what is the first one? 400. So out of 600 we can use 400 first. 400, 10, 4000. Remaining still how many you want? 200 you want. After completing this, go back to the second one. 200 we want. Rate of that is 11. 200 into 11, 2200. That's it. Okay. So, sorry, 600 we want, right? Sorry. Issues on 23rd is 600 units. Okay. Okay, correct only. 400, 500, 600. So 200 we are using. Rate of that is 11, 2200. Total 600 issues we have done. What is the existing stock? What is the leftover stock is there? 400 is not there. Why? Because we have used that 400. Out of 500, 200 we have used. Remaining how many is there? 300, 11, 3300. 800 we didn't use. So 800, 11.50 is 9200. Understood? So 600 issues we want. So 600 issues manaku kavali ante మనం ఏ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం? ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 3 ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 400 ఉంది. 400 ఫస్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకో. తర్వాత ఇంకెంత కావాలి నీకు? 200 కావాలి. అప్పుడు సెకండ్ దానికి పో. ఇది కూడా వాడుకున్నాక నీకు సరిపోలేదంటే అప్పుడు థర్డ్ కార్డ్కి పో. అట్లా. That's the only thing you need to remember. So after March 23rd, March 30 we are having. March 30. What we are having? Purchases. Purchases we are having. How many units purchases we are having? 600 units. Rate of each unit is 11. Total 6600. Right? Issues we are not having. So what is the existing stock we are having in your balance? 300, level 3300, 800, 11.50, 9200. What is the existing new stock which is entering into the business? 600, level 6600. That's it. Okay? So now I am having this. Understood now? So over. Your question is over. On the last thing, it's over. Then you need to write it here. What is the last date you will have in your March? March 31st. So write like this. Closing stock. In your balance, what is the quantity you are having? What is the stock you are having? 600, 800, 300. 800 plus 300, 1100, 1100 plus 600, 1700, right? 1700 units we are having. So like this you need to do it your Fifo method. So 12 marks problem. Sometimes only they will ask Fifo method. Nothing is there. This is the whole topic which you can easily learn. Now in next video I will upload the LIFO method and weighted method and simple method also. Till that time you practice Fifo method. So let me know in the comment section whether you are understanding my explanation or not, so that I will take care of your queries. Okay? So because actually I need to explain it in Telugu, but many of the students are requested for me to do in English, so that's why I'm asking for your review that whether my English is understandable for you, the explanation or not. Let me know, and let me know in the comment section whether you have understood the Fifo method or not. Okay? All the very best for your preparation. Don't worry, all the explanation videos I will upload in our channel before 10th of November. Okay? So I am giving this assurance. Don't worry, and All the very best for your preparation. Just prepare, be prepared yourself for your examination. See you on the next video. Bye bye everyone.